Okay student, next exercise 2.5. Then model find the first Roman, find the modulus of the following complex numbers. Okay, then first Roman, first sum, first subdivision, 2i divided by 3 plus 4i. Okay, then modulus of complex number. Okay, then modulus first one, then whole modulus of 2i divided by 3 plus 4i. Okay, then one property is modulus of z1 divided by modulus of z2 equal to, then property modulus of z1 divided by modulus of z2. Okay, the same, the use the property, the change the modulus of 2i numerator divided by modulus of 3 plus 4i denominator. Okay, the modulus symbol, modulus value, the square root of 2 square divided by then square root of real part plus imaginary part, real part plus imaginary part. Okay, then square root of 2 square 4 divided by square root of 4, then square root of 3 square 9, 4 square 16. Okay, then square root of 2, 4 is a 2 divided by square root of 9 plus 16, 25, then square root of 25 is 5. That is modulus of 2, modulus of 2i divided by 3 plus 4i equal to 2 by 5. Okay, then first subdivision. Then second subdivision, the 2i minus 2i divided 2 minus I divided by 1 plus I plus 1 minus 2i divided by 1 minus I. Okay, then first the modulus of 2 minus I divided by 1 plus I plus 1 minus 2i divided by 1 minus I. Okay, first you simplify the fraction value, then simplify the fraction value, the denominator not equal, cross multiplication, 2 minus I into 1 minus I. Okay, plus then cross multiplication 1 minus 2i into 1 plus I, then whole divided by 1 plus I into 1 minus I. Okay, first, then next the multiplication, the two complex number, 2 into 1, then modulus of 2 into 1 2. Okay, next 2 into minus I minus 2i minus 2i. Okay, 2 into 2 minus I. Next minus I multiple 2 term, minus into plus minus 1 into I minus into minus plus I into I square, then 1 value numerator. Next term same, the 1 into 1 1, 1 into plus I plus I. Okay, 2i minus 2 into I minus 2i minus into plus minus 2i into I 2i into I 2i square, 2i square, then whole divided by a plus b 1 plus I, a minus b 1 minus I, then 1 square minus I the I square, that is modulus, the 2 part 2i, that is modulus. Okay, then next 2 plus 1 3, common modulus, 2 plus 2 plus 1 3, minus 2i, that is minus I plus I cancel, minus I plus I cancel. Okay, minus 2i minus 4i. Next that is 2i square. Okay, I square minus 2i square minus I square divided by 1 square is 1, I square value minus 1. Next part 3 minus 4i. Okay, minus 4i, I square value minus 1, that is plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Next 3 plus 1 4 minus 4i divided by 2 modulus. Okay, next then individual modulus 4 minus 4i divided by 2 modulus of 2. Okay, then square root of 4 square plus minus 4 square divided by square root of 2 square, then modulus symbol, then change the individual root, take root and square. Square root of 4 16 plus 16 divided by 2 square 4. Okay, next square root of 32 divided by 2. Square root of 32 by 2, you change square root of 32 by 2, you change square root of 32 by 2. Square root of 32 divided by 2. Okay, then square root of 32, you change the value 16 into 2 divided by 2. 16, the square root of 16 4 root 2 divided by 2. 2 in 4 cancel, 2 root 2. That's all. Okay, the second subdivision value. Then next third subdivision. Third subdivision 1 minus I power 10. Okay, the modulus of 1 minus I power 10. Okay, then z modulus of z power n equal to the modulus of z the whole power n. That is property. Use the property modulus of 1 minus I whole power 10. Okay, then modulus symbol square root of 1 square plus minus 1 square, then whole power 10. Okay, then square root of power 10, 1 square 1, 1 square minus 1 square 1. Okay, then square root of 2 power 10. Square root of 2 power, the square root value 1 by 2, then whole power 10. Okay, then 1 2s are 2, sorry. Okay, next step 2 power 1 by 2 into 10, power in multiplication, a power m the whole power n, a power m the whole power n equal to a power mn, then multiplication power 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10, 2 power 5, then 2 power 5, 2 multiple 5 times, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. That is answer is 32. Third subdivision. Last one, fourth subdivision 2i multiple 3 minus 4i multiple 4 minus 3i. Then modulus of 2i 3 minus 4i 4 minus 3i. Then modulus of z1 z2 property equal to modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. Then how many terms of multiple, then individual modulus, then modulus of 2i into modulus of 3 minus 4i into modulus of 4 minus 3i. Then modulus value 2 square. Okay, square root of 3 square plus of minus 4 square. Next the modulus of 4 minus 3 is the square root of 4 square plus minus 3 the whole square. 2 square, square and root cancel 2. Okay, next then square root of 3 square 9, 4 square 16. Next square root of 4 square 16, 3 square 9. 2 square root of 25, square root of 25. Okay, then 2 into 5 into 5, square root of 25 is 5, square root of 25 is 5. Okay, then 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50. That's all. That first Roman over. Okay, then second Roman. First Roman over. Okay, then for any two okay,